So good morning, children. Good morning. How are you, children? I hope everyone is fine and everyone is listening the classes. Whatever in the online class teachers are telling, that may be me or another teachers. So children's once please concentrate on your studies. మీరు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఎప్పుడైతే మీ స్టడీస్ పైన చేస్తారో ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అంటుంటే కూడా జస్ట్ మీ ముంగట చెప్పడం కాదు, మీరు కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ప్లీజ్ నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఎవరైనా సరే పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర తీసుకొని, ఇఫ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ యూ ఫోన్, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ లిటిల్ బిట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆన్ యువర్ స్టడీస్ and you should also encourage the parents that to do the work with you. So if you go to tuition, you take care of the, you ask the questions whatever you are not understanding here. So children, please concentrate on your studies, don't neglect the studies, children. So good morning, children. So class 4, that is science subject I am teaching. So we are now in the lesson 8, food and digestion. So 8th lesson we are moving to the 8th lesson, that is food and digestion. So what is mean by food and digestion? We have been learned so many. We have learned how what is mean by junk food and what is mean by hygienic food, what is mean by carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and water gauges, as well as junk food. Name the junk food we have been yesterday learn what is mean by junk food and how it is uses and how it is not uses. So what we have to eat, what is good for us, yesterday we have learned, children. So now children, everyone take concentration. So food preservation also we have been learned yesterday. Manamu ఏది చదువుతున్నామో that is important only. So whatever we are subjects we are teaching to you, that all are very important to you. Why? Because when a teacher is saying a lesson, if you keep concentration correctly, మీరు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ కరెక్ట్గా పెట్టి విన్నారు అనుకోండి, ఎక్కడ పెట్టొద్దు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్, while only lesson. So whatever I am telling, the main important points catch out and just you remember it in your mind. Whenever it may be 10th or it may be inter, that will be useful for you. So children, please, whatever lessons I am telling from the starting onwards, it is very important for you. That may be plants, about plants, it may be about food of plants, reproduction in the plants, uses of plants and animals, next drinking water, next clothes, and now here food and digestion. So these all the lessons are very important. These are in our daily life, whatever it's need. మన యొక్క డైలీ లైఫ్ మనము ఏమేమి నేర్చుకోవాలో మన యొక్క సైన్స్ బుక్లో ఇస్తారు. సో వై దే ఆర్ గివింగ్? బికాస్ టు లెర్న్, అంటే యూ షుడ్ నో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఇన్ ద ఆల్ ఓవర్ వాల్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్. సో నవ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వాల్. హౌ వాల్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్, అంటే ఈ యొక్క వాల్ ఉంది, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వాల్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ సైన్స్, how we will know about science. So this is blackboard, sorry, won't leave it, it is blackboard is there. So how it big, ante ela ready avutundi, how it becomes, ante ela it will be ready, how it will be ready with what, so how this will be ready. So how the marker is writing on this, so what are the uses, so how it comes from, what it will come, fiber lekapothe plastic. So like this, about one if wall is there, how it comes with first bricks, cement, so after that small sand. So this how it, see ela construct avutundi oka building anedi dani venakala daagi unna మొత్తం లెసన్, దాని యొక్క హిస్టరీ ఎలా ఉంటుందో మనకు అలానే సైన్స్ కూడా వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ అస్. సో చిల్డ్రన్స్, డోంట్ టేక్ ఈజీ, ఎనీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈజీ ఫర్ అస్. వెన్ వి గో త్రూ, మనం చదువుకుంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ 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 ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. సో కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ యువర్ స్టడీస్, జస్ట్ లిటిల్ బిట్ 1 hour if you concentrate on one subject, just you concentrate one little bit of half an hour, it may be 10 minutes, you are the good genius. So first of all, respect is main thing for you. So give respect to your parents. First of all, give respect to your parents. Parents ki manam enta respect ichi, ippudu they are helping you, they are giving for you phones. Why? Because your study, ante chudandi వాళ్ళు sacrifice, how much sacrifice they are doing for you, they are giving phones for you. So that is a not good habit to give phone, but also they are giving for you. Why? Because for online classes, because of you they are sacrificing. అంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్వార్థం ఉంది, ఏంటి, మై చైల్డ్ మస్ట్ బి గుడ్ ఇన్ స్టడీస్, సో దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ యూ ఫోన్. సో చిల్డ్రన్స్, ప్లీజ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ అండ్ లిజన్ లెసన్స్ అండ్ గో త్రూ వన్స్ అగన్. మీరు కూడా ఒకసారి చదవండి. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ బుక్స్, టేక్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్కూల్. సో డైజెషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్. సో వీఆర్ మూవింగ్ టు ద లాస్ట్, దట్ ఈజ్ డైజెషన్. సో వీఆర్ కమింగ్ టు ద digestion of food. So here how the food is digesting. So here how it is doing digestion to. So how it will digest to us food. So we will go once. The food we eat is digested by the digestive organ in our body. So in our organs we have digestive system. So it will digest our food from whatever food we will eat, it will be digested from digestive organ in our body. The nutrients is out. Our food are broken into simple substances are absorbed by the blood. This whole process is called digestion. So here whatever we food, manamu example I will tell in Telugu. First we will take food, rice, curry, we will mix it. So we can't broke it, ante manam danni mukkal chesi mettaga chesi tinalem kada. No, which one when we will keep in our mouth, our teeth will అంటే ఏం చేస్తుంది, it will break అంటే నములుతుంది, నమిలి చిన్న పీసెస్ లాగా చేస్తుంది. It will be do like a మెత్తగా చేస్తుంది. Next it will go inside of our stomach. So next it will go here, then we will drink water, then it will go to the stomach. After stomach it will break full, it will be digested. After that the wastage will go out. Okay, this whole process is known as digestion. So the main digest organ in our body is mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, gallbladders and anus. So here what is telling, I told for you, first it will go into the mouth, manam mouth lo pedtam, next it will go into the food pipe, after that stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, gallbladders and anus. So this is a wastage will go from the anus. So here I will explain you about the digestive system of our body by showing the picture only. I can't draw here. So by the picture only I will explain you. So first here is given the mouth. So children first see the picture here. Once see the picture whatever here it is. So it is looking for you children. Yes. So the digestive system of the body. So here what is telling, digestive, the digestive system of the body. So here the digestive system of our body, here it is the first one is mouth, next one is food pipe, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, next anus. This is the last one. So how it is, once again I will explain you. First mouth. Children listen here. First we will go through the mouth. Manam దేని ద్వారా తింటాం మనం అన్నాన్ని, మన యొక్క mouth. First we will eat with our hands and keep in our mouth. After that food pipe in our whatever it is there, food pipe in our neck, it will go from that. After that it will go into the stomach. So here it is liver and it is stomach. After that gallbladders and pancreas it will be moved. Next it is large intestine, small intestine. So it will move to the small intestine and large intestine. Next anus. So the wastage whatever we will go to the, after completing the food, all it has been digested, then we will go to where the wastage will be go by the anus. So it is last one. So now the parts of a digestive system you have been seen once. Again look at the picture: mouth, stomach, food pipe, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, next anus. These are the digestive system parts. Okay, the digestive system parts of the body which will be digested by our body, how it will be digested. So these are the parts children. So now everyone understood, I hope. So this is once again you also see in the textbook how it is there, and once again you also go through it. So now we are going to the process of digestion, how the process will go by the digestion. Okay, So here the parts of the body we have been learned. So the digestive system, how it will be going by the process, how it will be gone, and how it will be, it will give deep explanation for you. Deep ga explanation istaranta. Okay. So he will give the process. The first process will go, how it will go. He is telling for us, when the process of digestion, I will move off. Digestion begins when we put food in our mouth. Our teeth breaks the food into small pieces, and which a digestive liquid called saliva mixes with the food. So I told for you, first we'll keep in our mouth, next our teeth will chew, ante namaladam. It will be chewed by our teeth. After that, the saliva. So here, after chewing the digestive liquid, ante mana yokka mettaga ayipotundi, danne saliva, it is known as saliva. It will mix with the food. Again saliva changes insoluble starch into the food, insoluble sugar into the soluble sugar. The saliva changes. It has been changes insoluble starch. So ikkada manaku balamaina padarthalu, insoluble starch into the food, into the soluble sugar. That is why the starchy food likes bread, rice, tasty sweet after we are chewing them. Now food passes through the food pipe and into the stomach. From the food pipe, it will go to the stomach when we chew, and it will come into the saliva liquid. After that, the insoluble starch is there. After soluble starch in the sugar, it has been going to the food pipe. After food pipe, it will go to the stomach. Our stomach is hollow muscular bag. Our stomach, it is a muscular bag, because whatever we eat, it will go into this bag. So this is called stomach bag, he is telling. So muscular bag, he is telling. The food is churned here, churned here. So the juice in the stomach breaks down the proteins in the food. So here what is telling, the juicy is the stomach breaks down the proteins in the food. So here whatever juices here there, the stomach will be break down the proteins in the food. From the stomach, the food is pushed into the long coiled tube called small intestine. The stomach. So from the stomach, what is telling, the food is pushed. Food is pushed into the long coiled tube. Long coiled tube is known as small intestine. So here, small intestine. So here what is telling, from the stomach, the food is pushed. The food is pushed. So here children, the food, how it pushed from the stomach, the food is pushed into the long coil that is known as small intestine. So it is pushed into the long coil. It is a long coil that is known as small intestine. Next, it walls produce a juicy that mixes with the food. The walls, whatever it will be produced mixes of the food. The liver and the pancreas also pour their juices. The here liver and pancreas also pour their juices into the small intestine. Here it will pour the juices, and also pancreas, it will be moves into the small intestine only. Next, the juices help us to digest the food completely. Here the juices will help morely, it will be complete digestion, it will be did. So these juices help us to digest the food completely. Here these juices will help them to complete the digestion of the food. Next, the digested food is almost like a liquid. So here everyone know the digested food is always, it is a completely, it has been liquid, it will be observed like a liquid. The blood vessels in the walls and the small intestine absorb it, carries it to all parts of the body. Here the digestive, the blood vessels, whatever the blood vessels of the wall in the small intestines are there, it absorbs and it carries the all parts of a body. Next, the undigested food consists of the undigested food. Now we are moving to the undigested food. So here the undigested food means not digestion. Digestion kanidi undigestion food antaru. Consist of ruggage. So here consists of ruggage and water. So it passes into large intestine. So this is the large intestine with intestine. So this is the undigested food. Undigestion food anedi consists of ruggage and water. So ruggage and water it passes into, so it will be passes into the large intestine. So that blood vessels in the wall of a large intestine absorb extra water to carry into the kidney. So whatever it will be, intestine will be the large intestine. So here it is a extra water and carried into the kidneys. Everyone know what is meant by kidneys? It will be carried. The semi-solid waste it is thrown out from the anus when we go to the toilet. Whenever we will go to the toilet, the wastage of our body, whatever is there, it will be thrown out from the toilet. So this is the process of digestion and the digestive system, how it will be going through. So మన యొక్క కడుపులోను మన యొక్క మౌత్లో నుంచి ఎలా వెళ్తుందో, ఎలా డైజెషన్ అవుతుందో, దేని వల్ల అవుతుంది, స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్, లార్జ్ ఇంటెస్టైన్, how it used to help to digestion. So this we have been learned now. So children, I hope this is very important for you to the digestive system as well as large intestine and small intestine as well as pancreas, it may be liver, stomach, this all are very important. So it is a science. So this all will be once you have to go through it. So children, we have completed now this lesson. So you also keep concentration and do the work carefully. So now we will move to the summative assessment. So now we will move to the summative assessment, that is tick the right options. So that is tick the correct options. So here bit number A. So tick the right options. So this is bit number A, page number 59. So 59 the page number is. The first one, which of these are energy giving food? So first one is which one? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. Which one is the here energy giving food? So here children, everyone know what is the energy giving food. You know everyone what is energy giving food? Yes, very good. The energy giving food is that is carbohydrates. Yes or no? Carbohydrates? No? Which one then? So that is vitamins, proteins? No. Very good. That is carbohydrates. The first one is carbohydrates. That is A. The bit number 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So here which of these is rich in protein? Rich in proteins. That is milk. That is milk. That is C. So children, what is needed for the formation of a bones and teeth? So here again C. So that is calcium. Calcium is the formation of a bones and teeth. Why is luggage need by the body to from the proper digestion, for the proper digestion. So now only we have here. So we should drink how many waters? 8 to 10 glasses of water. So this one also C. So this is the to tick the correct option. The first one is carbohydrates. Which of these is energy giving food? Carbohydrates. So which of these is rich in proteins? That is, yes, milk. Which is, what is the needed for the formation of bones and teeth? That is calcium. Why is luggage needed by the body? It is for the proper digestion. So how many water we have to drink in our daily life? That is 8 to 10 glasses. So these are the tick the right options. Now children, we will go to the bit number B. It is a question answers. So again Question answers you must only make it, children. So here that is a no time for writing on the blackboard. So I will write for you, that one also I will do for you. So bit number, see the fill in the blanks. 1, it is 2, 3, 4 and 5. The fill in the blanks are there. Dash are nourishing substances which are needed. So which are needed? Nourishing substances. So which are needed by our body. That is which one? That is digestion. So that is digestion. So what is that one? Answer digestion. So first one is ACC. Next, dash are nourishing substances which are need. That is nutrients. 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 The second one is sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are the two substances. Next, proteins also help to repair worn out body tissues. Dash help in formation of bones and teeth. Calcium. Next, the water. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses water every day. So these are the 5 fill in the blanks that we have now completed. So children, once again I will go through. First one is nutrients, sugar and starch, proteins, calcium and water. So the bit number C is a fill in the blank. So this is the last bit, that is true or false. That is true or false. The first one we will write here. First, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7 are there, children. So once we will go through, there are 7 true or the false. How many? 7. The first one is the diet which has only 1 or 2 nutrients is in the balanced diet. Yes, true or false? False. So the second one is people who do physical work, we need more proteins. False. So the third one is too much of oil food makes fats and obese. Yes. The third, proteins are energy giving food. Proteins are energy giving food. No, false. Iron is needed for the blood. Iron is needed for the blood. Yes, it is true. So next one is ruggages are important for the proper digestion. Yes, true. Next, eating too much of junk food can make a put of extra weight. Yeah, true. So true, true. First one is false, false, true, false, true. That are the here we have been completed. So children, I will give for you little bit homework here. So page number 60. Homework in textbook. So that is bit number E. It is a very easy, children. So now we have been completed our lesson, children. So don't neglect. So don't do neglections and complete the lessons and read it more and read well and do your work with sincerely and neatly. So whatever I am giving homework, do it. Don't neglect it and don't take it easy. So thank you very much, children. Thank you very much.